Hello, everyone. We are the Seamen, and today we are going to be talking about Indian philosophy. But to be more specific, we'll be talking about one of the principles of Indian philosophy, that is Atman. So, Atman, जिसको पता नहीं है, Atman is basically translated in English as the true self, like जो हमारा रियल सेल्फ रहता है एंड इट इज बेसिकली अ वेरी फाउंडेशनल कॉन्सेप्ट अपेरेंटली दिस आत्मन का पूरा कॉन्सेप्ट सो इट रिफर्स टू द सोल वी हैव इनसाइड ठीक है बट इट्स नॉट एग्जैक्टली एज लाइक जो जो इंग्लिश में जो वेस्टर्न वर्ल्ड में जो बिलीव किया जाता है अबाउट सोल इट्स नॉट एग्जैक्टली लाइक दैट so what the difference between the west who thinks of a soul versus atman of like what Hinduism believes in is that कि जो soul है वो आता है since birth हमारा जो birth है मतलब when a human being is born वो soul जो आता है वो हमारे अंदर आता है that is what the west believes in
Hmm.
on the other hand जो हम लोग का ईस्टर्न थिंग जो है ना वो बिलीव करता है कि we are not our external body we as a soul go from like when our body deteriorates जब भी हम लोग का old age में आता है and eventually we die a natural death तो फिर हम लोग का soul जो अंदर रहता है it transfers from one body to another so
Okay.
what Atman basically is that we are the eternal self and our जो हमारा self है
Hmm.
वो हमारा बेसिकली वो बॉडी चला रहा है सो हमारा बॉडी इज बेसिकली लाइक अ कार यू कैन से एंड जो ड्राइवर सीट पे बैठा है वो हमारा सोल
Hmm.
हमारा आत्मा
Okay.
तो तुम लोगों को क्या लगता है अबाउट दिस लाइक डू यू थिंक इट्स बिजार डू यू थिंक हमारा हमारे अंदर एक्चुअली में एक सोल है और व्हाट इज इट
तो लाइक मैं बोलूँगा कि लाइक फ्रॉम चाइल्डहुड टू आवर लाइक पूरा ओल्ड एज तक व्हाट चेंजेस इज इन आवर टू सेल्फ लाइक मेरा फेस चेंज होता है मेरा पर्सनालिटी चेंज होता है
Hmm.
मैंने चेंजेस को पर जो मेरा आत्मा जो मेरा सोल है दैट नेवर चेंजेस जो मेरा प्रिंसिपल जो आई फॉलो दैट नेवर चेंजेस
नहीं
इनसाइड
बट वो तेरे इसमें आ गया ना इट्स बेसिकली इन योर like conscious only so what
Hmm.
what this atman basically means is that you are not associated with what you are that is the point because think about it agar if there is a concept of reincarnation or rebirth whatever it is
Hmm.
है ना तो फिर what personality you have in this body might not be the same in your other body if it's true
Hmm.
I mean if it's reincarnation like who is getting his another body another thing so ये होना चाहिए हाँ कि हाँ जो तेरे प्रीवियस लाइफ में पर्सनालिटी ट्रेस्ट है वो तेरे को न्यू वाले में इनहेट होना चाहिए लेकिन ये होता नहीं है आई डोंट थिंक
I-
ये रीइंकार्नेशन या फिर रीबर्थ का कुछ पॉसिबिलिटी है इधर
and why do you think so मतलब इवन आई
बस
अग्री कि नहीं हो सकता है लाइक बहुत फारफेच कॉन्सेप्ट लगता है बट व्हाई डू यू थिंक सो आई वांट टू नो योर ओपिनियन
अभी if I say कि reincarnation happens rebirth happens तो आई एक्चुअली बिलीव कि हाँ अगर रीइंकार्नेशन होता है तो वो जो पुराने सोल के पुराने बॉडी के मेमोरी क्यों नहीं आते हैं न्यू बर्थ में या रीबर्थ में या फिर मेरे को जो पुराने पर्सनालिटी ट्रेट्स होते हैं जो भी जैसे कोई ट्रेट्स हो गए जैसे अच्छा पाए मतलब आई वाज गुड इन स्टडी इन प्रीवियस लाइफ तो अगर हमें न्यू अभी ये लाइफ में गुड इन स्टडीज नहीं हूँ तो अगर आई एम नॉट इनहेरिटिंग एनीथिंग फ्रॉम माय प्रीवियस लाइफ
Hmm.
हाँ because you're leaving it ना मतलब you're leaving your previous life
आई
it's
एम
you're like
लिविंग लेकिन
you're
द
leaving
सोल
that
इज द
body
सेम
away
ना
hmm.
तो आई जस्ट लेफ्ट द बॉडी लेकिन माय सोल इज द सेम
Hmm.
तो आई
Hmm.
अगर if reincarnation was possible if rebirth was true then I would have inherited some of the traits of my previous body या फिर which I left
and maybe just maybe you might have also but तेरे को नहीं मालूम पड़ेगा because you don't have any memories
Memories. Yeah.
possible
It's
possible
possible.
possible
hmm.
लेकिन why do we don't have any memories not a single memory
Honestly, there is like I
Hmm.
can't think of anything to answer that.
Yeah, I mean,
तो अगर
Hmm.
ये
Because I don't know. वही हो गया. Who can like
like we say that lakhs of souls get, अगर मैं बोलता हूँ कि अगर एक दिन में crores of souls getting rebirthed,
hmm.
reincarnation होता है, तो इट पॉसिबल कि किसी एक दो में भी प्रीवियस मेमोरी में आ सकता है.
I've heard stories about it, but
yeah,
I can't be for sure कि कितना true हो सकता है कितना नहीं because
बहुत आता है न्यूज़
तुम
में ये
लोग को
सब.
पता हाँ 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 नहीं there is this thing called past life therapy also तो जिसमें there is this individual who's learned this craft or something
Hmm.
like जिसमें वो तुमको अपने past में लेके जाता है like past life जो भी previous life तुम्हारा हुआ है
Hmm.
so there will be this person who's volunteering
Hmm.
वो लेटता है and then like there are certain they don't do mantras and all they just like do some like कुछ तो उनका एक procedure रहता है which will trigger your unconscious and from there they'll just try to extract what has happened to you before and some issues जो भी रहता है that is the whole concept like in order to resolve your issues which you're
Facing
having in your
currently.
current life हाँ
Hmm.
उसका हम
it
एक
is
बोल सकते
mostly
हो कि like
because तुम्हारे past में ऐसा कुछ हुआ है करके समझ रहे
Hmm.
like
Hmm. Hmm.
it can be true ना कि पास्ट में हुआ है, it can be a conscious memory which I desire.
मतलब
मतलब ना मेरा डिजायर होगा कि मैं पास्ट में ऐसा था, मैं पास्ट में इतना अच्छा काम किया मैंने, तो मेरे कॉन्शियस मेमोरी को वो लोग हिट करते होंगे. यू कांट से ट्रू ना कि हाँ ये जो मेमोरी जो मेरा वो बंदा है बंदी सामने लेके आ रहा है, इट इज माई ट्रू पास्ट मेमोरी. इट कैन बी अ कॉन्शियस
हाँ,
ऑफ माई
अच्छा,
ब्रेन
हाँ,
कि
वैसा.
दैट्स व्हाट आई डिजायर्ड कि मेरा पास्ट
ओ,
लाइफ कैसा हो रहा होगा, वो हुआ होगा.
हाँ, अच्छा, वैसा.
so let me just sum it up what you're trying to say कि basically जो past life जो वो दिखाना चाहते हैं it is not actually your past life but it is actually just uh, like
या
certain scenes in your brain like जो तू बोलना चाहते हैं वैसा ही है ना like certain things
या
you're
लाइक
imagining
इट्स
Like
हैपन ना कि
what you want
अगर मैं
it to be.
ड्रीम में
what you
हाँ
wanted
व्हाट
to
आई वांटेड टू बी.
Hmm.
quite possible actually वही मेरे मन में भी वही था like that is why I'm very skeptical when it comes to these past life therapies or even the concept of Atman. But what I like to do is that try to look at the concept and I try to see कि ये मेरे life में किधर implement कर सकता हूँ. But before that, we'll just get through what the Hinduism speaks about, like when it comes to Atman. So ये तेरे क्या opinions है?
Yeah, like I think like even if like some people like some of us we believe in evolution, like we
Hmm.
evolved from monkeys and all, and then there is the whole God thing, like there were two people created, or how many other people created, and we are all descendants of the same people. Okay,
Hmm.
but
But
there
as
is,
in Adam and Eve.
yeah, Adam and Eve. I don't know Hinduism में exactly क्या है वो, like how the concept starts.
Fair enough.
So
Fair enough.
I mean, so if you go to see, if we think about both the ways, since we have the same descendants, a lot
Hmm.
of our attributes and things should be very similar. Like we should find similarities with a lot of people, but there is something which makes us all unique in certain ways,
Hmm.
and that's something like it's. I don't think it can be defined. Like what is this thing? Like we'll say like chromosomes, or we'll say DNA, not chromosomes, DNA. Like we have
DNA.
evolved, and
Ah.
survival of the fittest, and things like that. But
Hmm.
still that whole process working out, I feel like there is something which is going on which we cannot yet explain, and I feel if we find a definition for it, like what exactly the soul is, or what is consciousness, I think if you
Hmm.
find a definition for it, so it won't be the same anymore. Like, because what
Hmm.
happens is like when we find something unexplainable, or usko ek like before it was properly scientifically like proven, उसके बहुत सारे theories रहते
Hmm.
थे, and each theory was different, each theory was unique. अभी एक definition आ गया, तो I mean now people will look at it in that one definition. जो तेरा बाकी theories था, they all like they go away. So
Hmm.
same way, अगर you have a definition for what this thing is there inside you, I feel the whole beauty about it and what it is like वो निकल जाएगा. So
Hmm.
yeah,
But yeah, like Indian to, like ऐसा भी हो सकता है, since this theory has been, like, I would call it a theory because
It's not
practically
proven.
I feel only a few people might have, actually experienced it, like just going, like, ऐसा हम लोग बोलते हैं ना, like there is this thing जो उन्होंने टेक्स्ट में लिखा हुआ था, पुराने संस्कृत टेक्स्ट में, कि देयर इज अ कोरिलेशन बिटवीन आत्मन एंड ब्राह्मण.
Okay.
ठीक है. सो ब्राह्मण क्या रहता है, इट्स बेसिकली लाइक द कंसेप्ट ऑफ एवरी बीइंग इज लाइक, लाइक एक ही है सब, समझ रहे,
Okay.
लाइक every plant, every animal, every human,
Hmm.
like they are within the same, they are the same, like they have a shared consciousness, something like that.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so that is Brahman. And Atman is basically having, like, तेरा खुद का thing. So this whole correlation between them also has been debated across various Hindu, like, schools.
Hmm.
So some believe that they are correlated, some believe that they are a separate thing, or
Hmm.
whatever it is. But my point being कि जो theory जो ये लोग ने बना के रखा है with Atman and Brahman, it
Hmm.
has been going on since so many years, hundreds of
Okay.
years,
Yeah.
you know. And the thing is that we need more of a conflict, since very few of them have seen it. We can't really be for sure कि ऐसा actual में एक चीज
Yeah.
है ना, because the thing is that even, like, right now it's forgotten. ठीक है, मतलब ये जो भी चीजें हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं, it is not something many people practice.
Hmm.
मतलब जैसे आत्मन हो गया, like a sense of self.
Huh.
ठीक है, like in a way, in a conscious level, we all know कि हमारे पास एक soul है, like we
There
automatically
is
believe
something
it
inside.
by seeing,
Yeah.
by seeing हाँ, by seeing, scriptures, या फिर cartoons, या फिर, parents बोल देते हैं, या फिर teachers बोलते हैं, या फिर कोई गुरु बोलता है, या कोई भी, everyone, like everyone has this preconceived notion कि हमारे अंदर कुछ तो
Hmm.
Yes.
है ना. तो फिर,
हाँ.
but why do you think we haven't found that proper concrete evidence कि वो soul है कि नहीं?
I mean,
Like तेरे
science
theories.
can't prove a
हाँ.
lot of things. Like, the most simple thing. Okay, this is like mind-boggling. Okay, the time I heard this. So science
Hmm.
cannot explain to you how a simple cycle works. It's true. You can look it up if you want. Science cannot explain how a cycle. I mean, the engineering how to make it work is understood, but how it
Hmm.
works, like how वो stability कैसे मिलता है, and how, like
Hmm.
mass of body. We cannot explain how a cycle works. Like there are theories on that.
Hmm.
Okay, so if we go to see, I mean, a concept like this, like what gives us life, like what, like why do non-animate things, like non-living things, like there's a stone, why does it not have life, like why do we have life?
हाँ.
Yeah, so I
No, no,
mean,
no. Even it's believed that even the stone has some
हाँ,
kind of life.
that's
तो ऐसा believed है.
panpsychalism ऐसा कुछ बोलता है ना उसको.
Hmm.
Yeah, because basically people believe in that because it's not disproven, which makes sense. Like you
Yeah.
can't prove it also. Like you can't prove that non-living things have life in them. But the thing is, you at the same time you can't disprove it also. Like what if they have
Hmm.
life? There's no like for sure thing. Yeah,
Hmm.
in look my life hai hi nahi. It's possible.
Yeah.
So I think some things, like we have still not evolved maybe that much to understand like how this concept works.
Or maybe it comes from fantasies only. Like our like, जैसे हम लोग मैंने फर्स्ट पॉडकास्ट में भी बोला था, it is our thing to create fantasies because हम
Hmm.
bored बैठे life.
Hmm.
We need something magical.
Yeah.
Otherwise, like it will be very dull that way.
Something
It's a
mysterious, like.
double-edged. Something mysterious. Maybe, maybe this bottle in front of me has life. Maybe, like ये book है जो मेरे इसमें, जो book को we respect so much. Maybe that has life.
Yes.
I
समझ गया?
mean, I mean, like, okay, I mean, the concept may not be proven, but I feel we can use it in a lot of ways to, like, to better our life. Like, so in old India, there were these bunch of scholars, okay, philosopher scholars. So they were like, they wanted to find answers to questions like, what is the source of happiness? What happens after that? Like, how like what is life, like how do we get it. So these people, they apparently they performed a lot of experiments and all, like like psychological experiments on each other,
Yeah,
on other
experiments कर.
people. Like that I don't know, वो नहीं लिखा था. Okay, वो लोग offend लगे उसमें. लोग
No, no, actually, no, they actually, man, it's true. देखो मालूम है, like
I mean,
people do that olden age में. It is only because, like ऐसा एक government ने ban डाल दिया, so that's why we have this notion कि
हाँ,
marijuana is
yeah,
bad.
yeah.
It is one of the things even I believe, but then eventually I was like, जिसको जो करना है कर.
नहीं तो वही, so
That's what I
they
was, but
they
yeah.
performed they performed वही psychological experiments and all. So they found out, the answers to all of these questions, they revolve around, like manifesting, or playing around with your soul, basically. like the secret of happiness, like what they, like these people, they made these books, or I think these are books, they are called Upanishads. Okay. And in these
Okay.
books, like they, like one secret of happiness, what they found out, like, okay, they had this thing about like what happens after death and all. They had a lot of
Hmm.
different things. The main thing I
Hmm.
think one we can use is, like, they said, the secret of happiness is letting go. Pura concept udhar hi, like in one thing, they, like
So yeah,
whatever.
this same I had in my mind. Yeah. Go
Yeah.
on. Go on. Ah.
So because they are like, our soul is like, non-transient. Everything else is materialistic. Our body, our like skeleton, whatever we have, our money, our wealth, our everything is materialistic, and one day it's going to go away. So they go to such an extent, they even tell, like these relationships we form, and I'm not talking only, about romantic relationships. They are like, even with your parents, your children and all, we shouldn't form such a bond ki, एक दिन, like suppose you have a child of your own and he's like, मेरे को तेरे साथ नहीं रहने का. So now this is
Hmm.
something that will drag us down, obviously. So they are like, you should be self-aware, if not ki, even this bond, it should, okay, you feel love, okay, that's a different thing. But once it goes away, you should let it go. And I think we all are very self-aware about this whole concept of letting go. सबको पता, हाँ, like let go करने का, everything will be happy. But in reality, वो that does not work out. क्योंकि I mean, किसी को भी अगर कोई advice पूछता, like you always be like, हाँ, like learn to let go, move on, and things like that. Let it be anything. But then when it comes to you, like I feel वो बहुत difficult हो जाता है, even though it's the actual solution to your problem.
No, that solution is very vague now. मतलब अगर तू ये दो चीजें बोल रहा है उसको कि let go and move on. How do you let go? How do you move on? वो second question आ जाएगा तेरे mind.
True.
समझ रहे? Hmm. So yeah, I think that one also, like ये मेरे मन में था, like it answers some of the questions, like थोड़ा practicality तरफ वो लेके जाता है kind of. So it's more like कि you don't strive to be codependent, because we often confuse that as codependency is almost confused as like proper love देना. समझ रहे?
Hmm.
So difference is that कि codependency is more like कि मैं तेरे बिना जी नहीं सकता, and it can be anyone. मतलब like maybe तुम अपने पेरेंट्स के बिना नहीं जी सकते हो, maybe मैं जीशान के बिना नहीं जी सकता हूँ, ऐसा टाइप्स. समझ रहे?
नहीं होता तेरे से नहीं होता है.
ठीक है, whatever, you get the point, yeah.
But yeah, like point is that you need to, तूने जैसे बोला, like you need to love them enough to let them go. वैसे ही kind of a thing तू बोल रहा था.
Yeah, kind of. No, they are like, पहले ही ऐसा bond बनाओ ही मत. Like, be ready, mentally prepared कि this can end, and this will end.
Hmm.
That's a surety. But how it will end is a different. Like, obviously, if you die, and that's a different thing. But खुद से कुछ internally problem हुआ, and
कोई
this
निकल
bond of
जाता है,
yours,
like
yeah. So be prepared for that to happen, and you'll probably be happy, like, for a lot of time. Not, I won't say
हाँ
forever,
वो तो
maybe,
है.
but a lot of time.
Yeah.
Human beings what do ना कि when we create a relationship ना, हम लोग ये सोच लेते हैं कि ये हम जरा 7 जन्म तो मैं साथ में रहेगा ये.
I mean, हाँ, any general relationship बात कर लो, तो romantic के यहाँ पर मत जा, दिल पे लग रहा है.
जनरल
हाँ, moving ahead, yes, moving ahead.
हाँ, तो लाइक जनरल रिलेशनशिप जो होता है ना, तो वी टेंड टू डू कि हाँ, ये मेरे साथ में हमेशा रहेगा,
हम्म।
ये मेरा तो हमेशा साथ में काम आएगा। लेकिन जब वो एक झटका लगता है ना कि हाँ,
क्या मेरा
नहीं
काम
कुछ
आएगा हमेशा, क्या बोल रहा तू?
साथ में रहेगा, मेरा हमेशा काम में मेरी मदद करेगा, लाइक मेरा तो बुरा
हाँ
टाइम में काम
ये
आएगा।
काम
हाँ
में
हाँ।
आएगा बोलेगा?
आई सेड, हाँ तू पहले वैसे बोला।
हाँ, हाँ, तो बोला बुरे 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 टाइम मतलब मेरे काम में आएगा कि नहीं
ये
आएगा।
बुरे टाइम नहीं
मेरा
यार
मेंशन
काम है।
किया।
एक
हम्म।
हाँ, ठीक है, ठीक
वेरी वेरी
है।
गुड,
आर वी गेटिंग यूज्ड
बहुत
रोहित?
good।
आर वी गेटिंग यूज्ड?
बोल बोल।
हाँ, तो मतलब वो होता है ना कि बुरे टाइम में अगर कोई मेरे काम में आएगा कि नहीं आएगा वो। तो मैं जब रिलेशनशिप बनाता हूँ तो मैं सोच लेता हूँ दिमाग में कि हाँ, ये हमेशा मेरे साथ में रहेगा, मेरे अच्छे में मेरे बुरे में हमेशा मेरी मदद करेगा।
हम्म
हम्म
लेकिन व्हेन दैट वो चीज़ नहीं होती है ना, तो फिर वो झटका लगता है दिमाग अपने कॉन्शियसनेस को,
हम्म।
हम्म क्या
है ना? कि हाँ,
मतलब व्हेन
मैंने
इवन व्हेन योर पेरेंट्स डाई तभी भी
मतलब
वैसा फील
पेरेंट्स
होता
नहीं
है?
छोड़, जो भी देख पेरेंट्स जाए या फिर कोई ब्रदर्स जाए, सिस्टर्स, कोई भी
कोई भी
जाता है या फिर
रिलेशन,
हाँ, कोई
कोई भी
भी रिलेशनशिप
एसोसिएटेड हो तो।
No,
ये
but I feel
लाइक
we are
ये
more prepared for that. Like we know एक दिन तो everybody has to die, but I feel
हाँ,
more
मैं
it's
No
वी
no
आर
about
no no no
relation.
no,
प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर
I
वी आर
don't think
नॉट
many
प्रिपेयर्ड
people,
फॉर इट,
No,
ओके?
no,
हाँ
sudden
बिकॉज़
death is
वी हैव
different
बीन
thing. Sudden death is
हाँ,
different
लाइक
thing.
वी नो कि वी हैव टू डाई वन डे,
no no
हाँ.
no,
ना कि वी आर नॉट मेंटली प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर इट। इट टेक्स टाइम, लाइक
Mm,
अगर मेरा डेथ हो गया
हम्म
फॉर एग्जांपल, और मेरे डेथ के बाद अगर मेरे फैमिली को भी इट टेक्स टाइम टू गेट नॉर्मल ना,
हम्म आज
हाँ.
सडन
क्योंकि
डेथ
वी
भी
आर
नहीं है। तेरे को मालूम है, अचानक से तेरे को डायग्नोस करेंगे तेरे को कैंसर है, तेरे पास खाली 3 महीने लिव करने के लिए।
No, no,
इट्स नॉट
I'm
सडन।
talking about the thing like हम लोग को पता है this relationship will end with that. That is a confirmed thing. But what is not
हाँ,
confirmed कि बीच में कुछ झगड़ा हुआ, betrayal and all. That is not confirmed. समथिंग उसका ज्यादा झटका लगता है। एक एक betrayal is a different thing. जा रहा हूँ मैं घर पे, अभी घर पे किधर, मैं घर पे। Okay, 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 whatever. We are cutting this out. Thank you. मैं कुछ बोल रहा ही नहीं हूँ अभी, अभी तुम लोग ही बात करो, नेक्स्ट टॉपिक में लेके आओ, फिर ही बोल खोलने वाला हूँ अभी।
नहीं बट या लाइक जो वो the one way to like think about this is also कि uh, you are your own soul, but like you are not this body.
हम्म
That's what you need to think about, and this is going to end soon. वैसा soon as in like we don't have this concept of time ना, मतलब like हम लोग जब भी we are in our daily life doing daily stuff जो भी हम लोग करते हैं,
हम्म
it's not like we always think about कि "Hey, मैं मरने वाला हूँ, 60 साल बाद में मरने वाला हूँ, सत्तर
या
साल बाद में मरने वाला हूँ", ऐसा। दैट्स व्हाट ही मेंट कि वो नहीं है, लाइक वो हमारे अंदर वो कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं है कि हम लोग मरने वाले हैं। वी नो वी आर गोइंग टू डाई बट वी डोंट
या
टेक इट सीरियस, वैसा। बिकॉज अगेन दैट्स व्हाई यू सी ना कितना शॉक पड़ता है व्हेन यू नो व्हेन यू आर डायग्नोज्ड विद कैंसर एंड देन दे से यू ओनली हैव 3 मंथ्स टू लिव,
हम्म
देन यू आर लाइक ओ शिट आई ओनली हैव 3 मंथ्स टू लिव। तो मैं 60-70 साल बोल रहा था वो अभी 3 महीना हो गया।
हम्म
So you try to make the best of what you would, like, in your 60-70 years, you would do that same thing, try to do the same thing in your 3 month period, जो भी तेरे को करने का था टाइप्स।
व्हाट वी लाइक वो अबे मेरे को किसी ने बोला कि मेरे को कैंसर है और मैं 3 महीना मेरे पास, तो एक ह्यूमन बीइंग का वो टेंडेंसी होता है कि दे फील रिसेंटमेंट, जेलस टुवर्ड अदर्स, इसको तो वो क्यों जिंदा है, मेरे को क्यों तीन
आई
महीना
थिंक
मिला।
अच्छा
आई थिंक वो काफी हद तक निकल जाते थे को मालूम है, बिकॉज यू डोंट हैव टाइम टू बी जेलस, यू डोंट हैव टाइम टू लाइक रिजेंट फीलिंग गिल्टी, ओके फाइन, बट बीइंग जेलस आई थिंक यू डोंट हैव द टाइम टू डू दैट, समझ रहा है?
आई
हैपेंस
मीन
ना,
वो
ह्यूमन का
तू भी
टेंडेंसी
कुछ
है
लोग का रहता है,
टू
लाइक
शो।
उसके साथ क्यों नहीं हुआ।
हाँ,
हाँ,
हाँ, सच क्यों नहीं, मेरे
लाइक
साथ क्यों हुआ।
मैंने कुछ बुरा किया नहीं है जिंदगी में, उसे वो इतना करता है, उसके साथ क्यों नहीं हुआ है।
तो दिस हैपेंस।
Hmm,
on the verge
Depends
of
from
death, on the
person to
verge
person,
of
I guess.
death,
हाँ सबका नहीं होता
तुमको
ऑब्वियसली.
गिल्टीनेस आता है अपने अंदर. जो मैंने जिंदगी में जितने बुरे काम किए, वो मेरे को
हाँ
जब आई एम गोइंग टू डाई, तो वो टाइम में मेरे को गिल्टीनेस फील होगा.
ना आई
I
फील
think वही
वो
मैंने
भी है
इतना
ना,
बुरे काम किए.
जो तूने नहीं किया वो भी
तो
आ
आई
जाता
विल,
है तेरे दिमाग में.
हाँ, आई वांट टू सी कि आई वांट टू टेल कि अगर तुम बुरे काम कर रहे हो, तो तुमको वही टाइम पे गिल्टीनेस फील होना चाहिए. हाँ, मैंने ये क्यों किया, आई
Hmm.
शुडंट हैव डन दिस, है ना? क्योंकि आफ्टर फीलिंग गिल्टी आफ्टर लॉन्ग टाइम, कुछ मतलब नहीं उसका. जो हो
Hmm.
चुका है तो हो चुका है वो.
Basically, I think you should live without regrets. अगर सपोज ईशान तेरे को किसी के लिए फीलिंग्स आती है या फिर तेरे को किसी को बोलने का रहता है कुछ भी कन्फ्रंट करना या फिर फीलिंग्स वॉट एवर इट इज बोल देने का मेक सेंस आई गेस. आई मीन if you have this
Not-
thing that one day you're going to die, of course ऐसा मतलब सबको आई लव यू मत बोलते रहे. Like, तू समझ रहा है
Think of me.
हो क्या बता मतलब मैं नॉर्मली बोल रहा हूँ कि ऐसा है. यू कैन थिंक अबाउट दैट यू नो.
हाँ
एंड इन अ
वही.
वे यू नो लाइक ये माइंडसेट ना तुमको ये भी बताता है कि यू नो चेंज इज वेरी कांस्टेंट. तुम्हारे लाइफ में जो अप्स एंड डाउन्स होने वाले हैं या हो रहे हैं, in the end it's
हम्म
going to be like you know it is not going to matter. These stages I have to just go like you know ऐसा I have to make the most of it, not go also. I have to make the most of what is there.
नो आई थिंक
वो
आई
फिर
मीन
एक realization आ जाता है and I think it only happens when you again self talk या फिर do meditation or do whatever.
You have to self aware yourself ना कि हाँ मैं ऐसा
नहीं ये
हूँ.
पूरा concept ही self awareness का है.
वही
आत्मा
ना
it's
कि
a
I
very
have to
very
self
beautiful
aware
concept.
using some methods कि हाँ मतलब कि हाँ मैं कैसा हूँ. मुझे खुद को पता नहीं है कि मैं what I am. मुझे आई एम जस्ट फोकस ऑन माय एक्सपीरियंसिंग. आई जस्ट फोकस, मेरा पूरा फोकस मेरे पूरे वर्ल्ड में है कि आई हैव टू लिव, आई हैव टू सर्वाइव इन द वर्ल्ड. बट आई डोंट
How
नो
will
कि
the
व्हाट
world
आई एम,
perceive me?
हाउ आई एम.
हम्म
आई डोंट नो ना कि व्हाट आई एम.
वो हाँ वो मेन फंडामेंटल क्वेश्चंस ये दोनों ही आते हैं व्हेन यू टैकल दिस आत्मन का कांसेप्ट कि मेरा लाइक हु इज द रियल मी.
यस
Is it me as in the external body or is it me as the inner soul?
इंटरनल सोल.
ऐसा.
नहीं मतलब वो आई थिंक वो हम लोग
And
को
I
वो
think
कंसेप्ट. हाँ
even
बोल
this
बोल.
is broken down into three parts. देखो मालूम है. One is the external body, one is the
हम्म
internal thing, and third is the soul. समझ रहे?
इंटरनल एज इन माइंड आई
Internal,
गेस.
ऑर्गन्स.
हाँ और ऑर्गन्स नहीं रहे.
external हो गया ना वो तो
हाँ
kind of
या
like something you can see physically. Yeah,
हम्म
mind, and third is the soul. So mind is your like you know again वही ये concept आता है जिसमें you separate your mind from your soul. वैसा kind of a thing है. So that only comes when you meditate. Again, I've heard from it is not something I have experienced. And I think I'm too young to experience it. I'm not going to be like मैंने experience कर लिया. अब मैं ज्ञान देगा. But I think it's a good concept. It's a very good concept. And strive करने में कुछ नहीं जाता है. है ना?
No.
But how would you like if you want to experience this like you know this principle? What would you do?
No, I mean, see why these things we find in mostly older people. Like usually ऐसा सब story we experience such thing ऐसा mostly तो बुड्ढे लोग ही बोलते हैं. That age, like they have almost finished. No, I think
Old
once
people
because
को नहीं देखता but मैं.
नहीं उन लोग का क्या होता है like whatever their life they had to live, मतलब वो 60 के पीरियड में तेरा working getting settled and things like that वो तेरा खत्म हो जाता है. Like at our age now we have to always think about हम लोग के फ्यूचर में क्या करने वाले. So that वो concept of uh, obtaining inner peace, that is like very 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 difficult for us because we can't live without thinking about the future and it's not possible. We have to
Hopes
think
and dreams
about
बहुत है.
हाँ होप्स नहीं बट वो भी है कि we have to do something to get settled and to be stable. That is there only. But so I think once you reach that old age, those tensions are not there anymore. Because some people, they accept ki, now anytime now I may pass away. Or, my life is
Hmm.
done. Whatever I wanted to do is done.
Hmm.
So I don't have to worry about the future anymore. Like you can
Hmm.
live each day in the present. I think
Hmm.
we don't have that kind of opportunity or that kind of gift right now. I think isliye mostly you find it in people of that age who find such, solace or some divine intervention kind of things.
Hmm. And not all. I would
Not
still say
all,
not all.
not all, yeah. But mostly as a stories like you find like, old sadhus or, mostly to like, very generically you find that. So maybe this is like one possibility.
Hmm. Sadhus, mostly because they have been practicing since many years.
Yeah,
And why again, मेरे को भी नहीं पता they are talking out of their asses or no. I
that is
can't be
true.
for sure. Maybe this concept is purely as. You want, but like maybe something comes up after 100 or 200 years saying that soul कुछ exist ही नहीं करता तुम लोग सब लोग पागल
Hmm.
possible quite possible.
Yeah. One reason, like why they brought it up is so maybe we can't accept that there is nothingness after that. Like, that is what science tells us. Like, after you die, it's nothing. Like, you don't feel anything. Like, it's complete blank. So,
Hmm.
what if, like, all the religions, like, koi bhi religion, like, they introduce the concept of soul so that people start doing good work. And I know a lot of people do it, okay? Like, if you promise people that your soul which lives internally will go to heaven if you do good work, I
Hmm.
think that's when people they start thinking about all the bad action. Look karte hain, obviously people are still bad, but a lot of
Hmm.
people, I feel, if there was no such promise of a good eternity, I feel our world would be more shit than it was right now. Because
Hmm.
people living without consequences, basically, like they don't fear,
Yeah.
suffering for eternity in hell. If you promise them,
So atheism तो
हाँ
एथियज्म अगर कोई प्रैक्टिस कर रहा है तो फिर उनको तो कुछ डर नहीं है ना.
हाँ उनको कुछ डर नहीं है, बट एथियज्म इज स्टिल क्वाइट लेस, राइट? when you talk about religion, like the amount of people following religion, any kind of religion, is like a
Hmm.
very high number as compared to atheists.
Hmm.
So, hmm, for me, that is one reason why the whole concept of soul was maybe. I mean, I feel isko introduce kiya. I think it was maybe a necessity also. Like as I said, like
Hmm.
if there was no such promise, like it would be much worse right
Yeah.
now.
Yeah.
इवन
In the
मतलब
end,
इवन
humans
आपका
are animals. Yeah, we need to like we are animals and हमारे में वो primitive चीजें हैं जो हम लोग अंदर दबाते हैं. That's
Hmm.
what makes us that is exactly what separates us from animals, like general animals. That they
Yeah.
work on their instincts while we have the ability to think.
Huh.
but
That's
even
all.
after knowing that we have to face the
There are consequences.
consequences, we have to face
Right?
the consequences. We still
Hmm.
do things, na.
हाँ, that is obvious. लोग तो करते जिसको करना they do it like without any fear. Like that is true.
Hmm.
But then
नहीं
that's
एंड
what I'm saying.
गलत काम होता क्या है सपोज तेरे से कोई चोरी करके लेके गया मे बी वो गरीब फैमिली से आता
Hmm.
है, उसको अपना पेट
देख
भरने का.
यहाँ पे दो चीज होता है. एक होता है कि हाँ चलो गरीब था, कुछ खाया नहीं उसने, चलो चोरी
हम्म.
करके गया. अब एक
हम्म.
होता है कि उसको भी वो चोरी करके उसको आदत हो गया चोरी करने का.
हम्म.
Even though he had money, he have everything, but still
हम्म.
he does. यहाँ पे उसको चोरी नहीं करेगा तो कुछ उसको वो क्या बोलते हैं डोपामिन हिट नहीं मिलेगा. बोल भी नहीं वन टाइम एवरीथिंग
क्या डोपामिन है.
जो डिजायर होता है ना अपने मन का लाइक वो
हाँ.
The
वो
चोरी ठीक है. I mean, we can look it at both concepts. Like let's talk about
हाँ
murder. अगर murder किया तो that is,
हाँ
I feel, whatever
That
angle,
is
unless it's self-defense. Okay, self-defense is like that is called manslaughter. If self-defense, okay, like intentional murder.
मतलब
सीरियल
इवेंचुअली वो
किलर्स
सीरियल किलर टाइप्स
सीरियल
बन जाएगा
किलर्स ले
ऐसा.
ले. हाँ
Hmm.
कि वो लोगों को जब दे किल समवन तो लोगों को वो एंजॉयमेंट मिलता है.
हम्म.
Hmm.
नहीं यार और ये कॉन्सेप्ट जो हमारा सेल्फ का कॉन्सेप्ट है इट्स नॉट लाइक कि इट्स पॉपुलर इन द वेस्टर्न कल्चर. ये मोस्टली सब ईस्टर्न पीपल ही प्रैक्टिस करते हैं एंड इवन इफ यू सी इन इंडिया आल्सो वी डोंट टॉक अबाउट such things because आत्मन का अगर तू एक कॉन्सेप्ट वो पकड़ लेगा इट विल एक्चुअली लीड यू टू हैव थिंग्स लाइक नॉन वायलेंस. बिकॉज अगर हम लोग ब्राह्मण के इसमें को कॉन्सेप्ट में देख रहे हैं, सिंस
Hmm.
आत्मन एंड ब्राह्मण आर लाइक connected in some way.
Hmm.
मतलब
Hmm.
we can say
So
कि
that way we can
Brahman,
also
Atman is
conclude
a
that
part
since
of
this
Brahman.
person, huh?
Atman is a part of Brahman.
तो क्वेश्चन पूछा है या बोल रहा है?
बोल रहा हूँ. We
नहीं,
can say
again
ना,
it is up for the
क्योंकि
debate dude.
ब्राह्मण क्या है कि इट्स एवरीथिंग, everyone
हाँ.
is connected, and Atman is everything में से एक individual.
Hmm. But I can separate myself from the thing also ना, मतलब like क्या है? Again, this is what the Hindu schools, like whatever they have, like इतने सारे जो schools है, they try to debate कि like exactly ये connected है भी कि नहीं. So it's
Hmm.
not even like even they are properly thinking कि actually मैं connected है कि नहीं. For me it's not. Like if I had to think about it, it's not really.
The
मतलब
Brahman thing or the Atman thing?
like I don't believe in the concept of Brahman. I think
Ah,
Atman is more of a thing. Like if I had to believe in something, I would believe in Atman instead of Brahman.
yeah, true.
Otherwise, वो दो concepts are like again, it's very vague.
No, वो लोग
Like
वही
I was,
एक डिफरेंस हो जाता है वेस्ट में कि दे ऑलवेज बी लाइक आई हैव अ सोल, लाइक देयर इज अ सोल इनसाइड मी. When you come to India or the East, like either be either way, I feel this is similar for China, Japan, and places like that. They always say I am the soul. Different
hmm,
समझ रहा है, like हाँ, so I am the
हाँ,
soul, yeah, and not I have one. So मतलब I feel we understand for other concept is more deeper, like as compared to that side.
hmm,
Hmm.
बराबर. So as I was saying, कि that actually leads to non-violence because since अगर if you believe in the concept of Brahman and
हाँ.
there is this, everyone has a soul, including animals or plants or whatever it is.
Hmm.
You wouldn't do anything to harm them, no? But we still see
बराबर.
India में street dogs are treated so badly.
Street dogs, other human beings only ले ले भाई.
Other human beings वो भी है. And
Hmm.
even like elephants का तुम लोगों ने सुना रहेगा, सब
Hmm.
जला दिया था जिंदा एक बच्चे को, like elephant के बच्चे को जला दिया था. I think this was last year's news. But you see like there is a lot of torture that is happening in spite of it, the philosophy coming from our side. मतलब like
Hmm.
हमारे पूर्वजों ने ये लिखा हुआ.
Wait, is this why Brahmins are veg? Like, is this a possibility? मेरे को अभी strike हुआ. Is this why they are veg? They don't eat meat. Is it because they refrain from killing
हाँ,
animals because they
yeah.
think, yeah, that's a possibility. ये मेरे को नहीं पता था. Like I was like,
तो
okay,
क्या लगा
just
था?
like I don't know. I just thought killing animals is rude, kind of. Like that's what a normal vegan is like. Killing animals is not good. So that's why they don't eat meat.
हाँ, so
So I
it
didn't
is
know
it
There's a
is
this.
kind
difference
of the
between
same concept.
vegan and vegetarian. Yeah.
हाँ, there's a
Yeah.
different vegetarian भी also again it's like vegetarian में क्या वो milk खाता है. So that's what
Brahmins
now.
are not
So I mean this has
vegetarian.
a deeper.
They are
हाँ,
vegetarian.
I mean वही ना वो same. They basically don't harm animals. Both equal. They don't harm animals. Both
No, no,
sides.
no, no. Vegan में pure you have nothing
हाँ.
to do with animals. तो
हाँ,
Yeah.
देखो मालूम है ना डेयरी इंडस्ट्री कैसे चलता है, like how they
हाँ.
put injections in cows and all. So in a way you're mistreating animals, no?
But तभी के टाइम पे नहीं होता ना. Like I'm talking about the proper Brahmins in that time. वो लोग तो directly गाय से दूध निकालते थे. I mean like
हाँ,
natural feed है.
हाँ.
Now with that
No,
concept
but
has
even you're not
changed.
supposed to. You're taking milk from the cows, if you think about it.
I
This is
mean
a vegan belief कि they don't है ना, वो लोग साइड प्रोडक्ट भी नहीं खाते वो लोग. Vegan and vegetarian like milk हो गया या फिर वो
हाँ,
sheep का
हाँ.
wool हो गया. They use
So
it.
vegan is
But
basically
हाँ.
nothing to do with
हाँ,
animals. वैसा है.
even clothes and
Whatever
all,
you
yeah.
don't get, like you get from animals, you don't even have that. So including
Hmm.
dairy products or
हाँ.
whatever they give. So that is the main thing. तो आपके बारे में बात कर रहा था, like you're basically taking milk from cow. So where is your morality तभी old Brahmin में भी? Because when you're lactating, like when cows are lactating, तभी वो like the milk is there for the cows only. It's not for the humans to drink. ऐसा है.
Yeah, I think we should wind
Anyways,
up
किसी
now,
का कुछ
dude.
और वही
Mm-hmm.
किसी का कुछ और बोलने के लिए है कि नहीं?
So here, do you have anything about like how, like not how we should connect? I think how we should connect is again meditation and like what can happen if we connect, maybe something like that.
I think you'll live basically जो जैसे heaven earth में नहीं आ गया, वैसे type of a life you'll start living. So like a blissful life. You're not like happy or like
Blissful
bliss.
life.
Like
Yes, yes, yes. Bliss. This was a very
Yes, I know.
important keyword when I was reading about that. You know, the guys who are trying to unfold the mysteries of the universe. They were like that only. Oh, to lead a blissful
Hmm.
life, like it's important to connect to your soul.
Hmm. So वो don't expect it to happen by the time you're like 30. Probably हो भी नहीं पाएगा बे
Huh,
कभी.
it's very
It's a very
possible.
difficult. Maybe you'll need to become a monk or something. पता नहीं. But yeah,
Huh.
like otherwise it's a very fascinating topic.
I think basically it's like if you give up all your possessions, not even give up or like stop caring about the amount of possessions you have. I feel like when I say possession, I'm not only mean like जो तेरा wealth or something. I think it's also about the
Relations.
relationships. Yeah, exactly. And
So
what,
Gautam Buddha types.
and also what you think about others. Like that is also like a kind of possession. What do you think about others? What do you think about yourself? And what do you
Hmm.
think about certain things, your ideologies and things like that. I think if you
So
let all
stripping
that,
everything else you see कि
yeah,
you're just human.
basically
That is
whatever
one
you
thing.
have accumulated on this earthly journey, whatever from childhood you have accumulated, like your thoughts, your ideas, your stands, people are sometimes very stubborn about like what they stand for and all. So
Hmm.
whatever you have accumulated throughout this journey, I feel once you let that go, I feel that is when, like, maybe you don't won't even require meditation then. Like, I feel
not
doing
even
this
caring about
something like this only
what
is phenomenal.
It's very difficult because you leave, like you have met so many people along the journey.
Yeah.
You've accomplished so much. It is very difficult to abandon.
Hmm.
Very difficult.
मतलब not even caring about what society says, ये क्या बोल रहा है, वो कुछ
No, yeah,
बिना
wait,
कुछ
like when
परवाह
you're
किए
when
उसके
you're
बिना
there, you need to play with the rules of the society. वो कुछ कर नहीं सकते.
Huh,
If you
that
think
yeah.
about it
not
practically.
not talking about rules of society, but like what so I don't care about what society says if I do this.
देखो अगर तुम्हारे घर पे चोरी करने आया मेरी मेरी गलती नहीं है. मेरी गलती नहीं
ना कि
है.
हाँ
I
like
try to
अभी
make him
तू
understand. No, yeah, but like again, if you want to not care about society now, तब भी आएगा when you're done. Like if you're doing the same thing, like not caring about society में अगर तू ये office culture में लेके आ गया, तू fire हो जाएगा bro. या फिर तू एक social
Hmm.
situation में आ गया, you will be one of those guys जो party में ना side में खड़ा.
That's abhi to I don't think, at least in our life right now, maybe when we as we get older and we have less things to worry about. So I feel I think what makes it special is सब लोग नहीं कर सकते. I think अगर सब लोग कर पाते तो then like everybody would be really happy right now. Like ऐसा world peace एकदम 100 पे चले जाता, violence एकदम 0 पे चले जाता.
True, very
yes,
true.
yes,
Yeah, so I think
very
यार
what
मे भी किसी
makes
को
it
करने
most
का ही नहीं है भाई. किसी को
yeah.
like there are people who even like to be in violence. मतलब वो एकदम primitive thing उनको चाहिए. Who
Hmm.
knows? There are
Hmm.
people like that.
yeah.
So it is not something necessary to attain, but if someone does attain, it's something I can imagine it to be peaceful. क्या हो सकता है?
Hmm.
Wouldn't call it magic, but I think it will enhance your.
Yeah, this is possible. This is not even a fantasy or fiction. This is possible if you do what is required. I
Hmm.
mean, it's not like ये नहीं होगा. If you manage to do it, then I feel 100%. I feel it will work out for you.
100% तो गारंटी कैसे दे सकता है?
I mean, it is. I mean, obviously, like if you think about it, like you come with the mentality of a kid who's just born in this world. Like, what do you have to worry about? There's nothing. I feel that is one moment in a life where I think guarantee everybody was at peace because you don't know what is happening and you're just like in the zone, like
You're just
types.
there. You're
Yeah,
just
you're
there
just there. Yeah, existing.
crying.
Yeah, बस भूख लग रहा है वही you have to just fill your stomach. I feel that is उससे strip मत करना. Like basically पेट भरो अच्छे से खाओ ना. But then yeah, I feel if we manage to revert ourselves back to that mental state at least, I feel
हम्म,
your secret to happiness is there.
हम्म. तो देख रहा है कि हम लोग हर एक पॉडकास्ट में सीक्रेट ऑफ हैप्पीनेस का ही बात करते
Ultimately, it all boils down to that. And
हाँ, it actually boils down to that. वरना फिर हम लोग ये सब इतने extremes पे जाते ही नहीं ना. Abandoning your elections, abandoning your possessions, whatever it is. वो concepts आते ही नहीं unless you know like there is truly suffering.
Yeah.
You think your entire life is suffering. जो Buddhist philosophy में आता है, which I think we'll talk about it later. थोड़ा
Some
detail
other
में
time.
जाएंगे.
Yes.
But anyways, let us know comments में what points you agree on, what points you disagree on. I don't think like you know like अगर हमने अच्छा job किया भी है explain करने में जो concepts है like did we do a good job simplifying it for you and how you can start implementing it small steps probably like this is like just a starting point है ना.
जिशान के दोस्त लोग कमेंट मत करो प्लीज और जिशान
What
हेटर्स
you guys
भाई
जिशान को
मतलब
पर्सनली मैसेज करो और जिशान हेटर्स प्लीज थैंक यू
हाँ हम लोगों ने क्या बिगाड़ा है तुम्हारा
उसको
हमने तो कुछ
पर्सनली
नहीं
मैसेज
किया
करो उसका एड्रेस हम लोग लिख देते हैं डिस्क्रिप्शन में से घर पे जाके मारो उसको मतलब यूट्यूब का
और
कमेंट सेक्शन साफ रखो
हाँ और
प्लीज
कम से कम यार तुमने बता यार हमारा कंटेंट अच्छा है कि बुरा है उतना तो बता के जाओ.
आई थिंक फॉर मेन हाईलाइट इज जिशान ने वीडियो में नाइस कंटेंट अच्छा
अभी वीडियो में हाउ डेयर यू पुट हिम बैक
हाँ ना अभी गारंटी उसको वापस भी ले लिया वो कमेंट आने वाला है प्लीज उसको घर पे जाके मारो उसको पर्सनली मारो उसको व्हाटएवर यू वांट टू डू या
हाँ
अब तो वीडियो अकेला छोड़ दो